Tips that help you to lose weight. If you have been trying hard to lose weight but haven't been successful so far, then read on to know about a few simple weight loss tips and tricks that will certainly take you closer to your weight loss goal. Set a specific goal. Setting achievable weight loss goals are important. Set a specific goal which is attainable. Eat wholesome food. Instead of eating food out of a can, tins, cartons, and pouches, eat natural and fresh produce. Stop eating when 80% full. The main cause of concern for many dieters is that they don't know when to stop. Stop eating when you are 80% full. By doing this, you will be able to eliminate craving for extra food as well. Drink water before each meal. It is scientifically proven that drinking water before each meal is helpful in cutting down on the number of calories consumed. Avoid sugar and sugary drinks. It is common knowledge that sugar, when consumed in high amounts, can cause weight gain. Studies indicate that liquid sugar present in beverages can cause accumulation of fat. It is therefore advisable to consume minimal amounts of sugar. Eating fruits at the right time. Munching on some fruit between meals is a good way of bringing you closer to your weight loss program. Fruits are low in calories and contain various nutrients. When you eat fruits, your system secretes special enzymes to digest them. Due to this, one must make sure that fruits are consumed at least an hour before a meal. Exercising. Fast path to weight loss. The following weight loss tips will help you plan your exercise schedule better. Work out right after you get up in the morning. By doing this, you will be able to get done with it first thing in the morning. Walking or jogging helps in burning 100 calories per mile. And every 35 miles walked helps you in losing a pound of fat. Use strength training for 20 minutes a day to help you tone your entire body. By doing this, you can burn more calories and fat in a short time span. You can try with weight loss guide from popular directory.